The rolling world of rollback, understanding the phrase. Hey there, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a term that you might have come across in different contexts. Rollback. This phrase has a few different meanings, so let's unroll them together. When we think of the word roll, we often visualize something moving in a rolling motion, like a ball. Now, combine that with back. The literal sense of rollback means to move something backwards in a rolling manner. Imagine pushing a ball, and then it rolls back towards you. That's the essence of rollback. In the world of technology, particularly in software development and databases, rollback has a very specific meaning. Here, it refers to reverting to a previous state. For instance, if a software update causes problems, developers might decide to roll back the update. This means they will revert the software back to how it was before the update. It's like an undo button for the digital world. Rollback can also be found in the realms of business and finance. In this context, it refers to reducing prices back to a previous level. Retailers might announce a rollback on prices, signaling that they've lowered the prices of certain products. It's as if they've rolled the prices back to what they used to be, making items more affordable for consumers. In legal or legislative contexts, rollback pertains to the reversal or withdrawal of laws, regulations, or policies. For example, if a government decides that a particular law is no longer effective or necessary, they might roll back the law, effectively removing or revising it. Rollback is one of those versatile phrases in English that can mean different things in different situations. Whether it's a ball rolling back to you, reverting software updates, reducing prices, or changing laws, the essence is about going back to a previous state. We hope this video has helped you grasp the various shades of rollback. Keep rolling in your language journey, and we'll see you in the next video.